Today, we're stepping outside and immersing ourselves in the world of outdoor living, specifically tailored for the discerning homeowner in Pacific Palisades. In this coastal paradise, outdoor spaces are not just an afterthought, they're an integral extension of the home, a seamless transition where indoor comfort meets the natural beauty of the California landscape. We'll explore the art and science of designing outdoor spaces that are not only stunning and functional, but also prioritize comfort, safety, and, crucially, resilience against the ever-present threat of wildfires. From navigating local regulations to selecting fire-resistant materials and creating defensible landscapes, we'll equip you with the knowledge and inspiration to build an outdoor haven that enhances your lifestyle and protects your property. In this extensive and comprehensive video, we're not simply showcasing pretty pictures. We're providing a detailed, actionable guide to creating outdoor living spaces that are both luxurious and safe. We'll delve into the intricacies of planning and design, exploring how to maximize views, optimize space, and integrate your outdoor area with your home's architecture. We'll navigate the complexities of city permits, highlighting the specific regulations and requirements that apply to outdoor construction in Pacific Palisades. We'll uncover the secrets to selecting durable, weather-resistant materials that can withstand the harsh coastal environment and the threat of wildfires. And most importantly, we'll emphasize the critical importance of fire-wise landscaping and defensible space strategies, drawing upon lessons learned from recent events to ensure your outdoor oasis is also a haven of safety. Whether you're planning a complete backyard transformation or simply looking to enhance your existing outdoor space, this video will empower you to create a luxurious and resilient outdoor living environment that you and your family will enjoy for years to come. Before we step outside, please take a moment to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. By joining our community, you'll gain access to a wealth of exclusive content, including behind-the-scenes project tours, in-depth interviews with landscape architects and designers, and early access to our latest insights on outdoor living trends and fire safety strategies in Southern California. Your support is the inspiration that keeps us creating, allowing us to continue sharing our passion and helping you realize your dream of a luxurious and fire-safe outdoor oasis. Why is creating exceptional outdoor living spaces so integral to the Pacific Palisades lifestyle? It's because our temperate climate, stunning natural surroundings, and emphasis on healthy living make outdoor enjoyment a year-round pursuit. A well-designed outdoor space is not just a place to relax, it's an extension of your home, a venue for entertaining, and a sanctuary for connecting with nature. However, in the face of increasing wildfire risks, it's also essential to prioritize safety and resilience, creating an outdoor haven that can withstand the challenges of the Southern California environment. Here's a closer look at what makes outdoor living so special in Pacific Palisades, and the factors that must be considered. Year-round enjoyment. The mild climate allows for outdoor enjoyment year-round, making it a worthwhile investment to design the outdoor space. Breathtaking ocean views. Maximize the beauty that the ocean brings when you create outdoor living spaces. Entertainment and lifestyle. Design a space that fits your dreams. You can host dinners or relax and unwind. Wildfire danger. Take steps to ensure and be proactive to reduce the risk of fire. Hillside challenges. With the beauty of hillsides, we must design with safety. Great design is necessary. Here are key ideas. Skilled professionals. Landscape architects, designers, and contractors are there to assist. With the assistance of those around, you can reach all that is necessary. Align visions. Consider what you want out of your lifestyle and determine what would make it yours and what you dream it to be. A design that is practical will increase enjoyment. Proper analysis. It is important to have the site properly analyzed and know the specific challenges of your site. Make sure you understand everything needed to build, as well as the logistics and budget of the build. Complying with the various regulations will help the plan be properly authorized by local lawmakers. Consult with the city. Get assistance from code enforcers and city planners on what is required. Follow rules. Rules are there to follow and should be thoroughly understood and followed. Submittal. Make sure all plans and documentations are clear when turning them in. CHE review. If you are a part of a homeowners association, make sure the build follows their regulations. Expert work is needed to get the build on its way. Skilled contractors are important in these phases. Grading: get the soil graded to implement any terraces and slopes. It is also necessary to assess the soil's stability with professionals. Hardscape patios, walkways, pools, and spas. These must be installed professionally so they have great value and last a lifetime. Outdoor kitchen setup. Have proper and effective planning to have a kitchen that is safe and secure. With appliances and grills, it is better to have proper plans for it all. Lights and tech. It is important that your home's tech is modern with smart systems to bring out comfort and convenience. Plant the future. Using drought-tolerant plants and having a system that ensures the plants are properly watered is important. The recent fires should have given everyone a great reminder for fire protocols and fire resilience plans. Defensible spaces. Create a barrier to protect against fire. It may not stop it completely, but will definitely lessen its effects. Material choice: high-quality materials should be used to enhance fire-resistant properties. Fire safety systems. It is a smart idea to plan for fire systems to ensure the highest chances of fire prevention. Creating an outdoor living space is special in the Pacific Palisades due to the opportunity to create so much beauty. But we cannot stress enough the importance of ensuring safety and the fire resiliency of all homes. If you ever have questions or would like to consult with us, please feel free to contact us at 888-336-8586 or visit our website at oceanfrontbuilders.com, from Oceanfront Builders. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It all helps us make more amazing content for you from Oceanfront Builders. Title: Subscribe for more luxury home building tips and expert advice from Oceanfront Builders. On screen text: Final call to action to subscribe.